You got more coming out still?
Yes.
All right, we'll probably stop back by in a little bit.
Alright,
You selling any video games or?
I think we're selling an Xbox and some video games.
Maybe I'll wait for that then. Dork Diaries. Morning.
You got it?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. How much you charging for your Dork Diaries collection? If I wanted to buy the whole thing?
You do?
Yeah.
Probably 30 for it all.
30 for it all?
Price, yeah. I don't think she read them though. Yep. They're all. I can give you all for 30.
Okay.
Considering that'd be like.
Megan would collect every one.
She did. She had, well,
like-
kids like them.
She was like, I want to read more.
Yeah.
They're great condition or something. I just kept them in here. Oh, that's not one. That one is. And that one is. So these are Ever After. And these are Would Be Kid.
All right.
And that's it. Alright, so it's these ones. It's up to you.
Did you look through my closet?
No, honey, I didn't go through your closet, although I probably need to.
Because why are you so much good?
Oh, you told me you want it. Well, then wear it.
No, I said I didn't want it for the trip.
Oh, sorry.
And why is this over here?
1, 2, 3. Is it like, yeah, 1? 30 bucks seems fair.
Well, thanks a lot, Mom. You almost sold them.
You gonna get the VTech stuff? How much is that?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm gonna ask.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, take off your finger.
Oh, no, no, no,
Let
no,
me
change
see
the
fire.
break.
No, I'm sorry.
Let me see fire. Ooh, here's ran over something.
Like, have you seen those? No, in here. You'll need these.
Oh, that.
Yep. So you'll take the whole thing,
Oh, okay.
however it works. There you go.
Thank you. Do I have a phone? Yeah, I do.
I'll tell you, I'll do it. I'm wondering if I can like put them over there and then check these other two out and then come back for them.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Container here. I have no. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And then I'll just come right back. I just want to check out a couple more sales.
All right, let me move.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. How are we doing?
Thank you. What is it with me and gumball machines? Then this is
That's candy.
yeah,
That's
this
just
is for
straight candy.
And that's what I get most. I'm gonna get this.
How much is it? You should probably ask.
$3.
It could be 80 bucks for all you know.
$80. Sorry. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
The demand is there. I mean, I think you charge them it.
I did. I looked at it. I'm looking.
You're supposed to pretend you don't want it. Oh, this thing. Ugh. I guess I'll take it. Toasty Toes. That's cool.
Brand new, never worn.
How much?
Tapping problem.
I know. I feel it. I have the same problem. How much are these?
10.
What size are they?
They're 8.5. I got a gumball machine a week ago when I went yard sailing with him, and
Toasty Toes, 10 bucks.
I got candy for it, but it just jammed it all up. This is an actual candy dispenser.
it is, and it's automatic. It's the one button thing.
10 bucks for those shoes.
So those are shoes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Gel pens.
Sold all my boots and my shoes.
All right, wanna go?
No, I'm gonna get this.
Off my feet.
Oh, okay.
How much are these gel pens?
5.
He's thinking.
You don't like your sister that much, do you?
Now that's cool.
We're just missing a couple. Definitely use. But it is nice. All the Sharpies.
I think they've fallen out. I don't think there's any missing. I think it's just all.
Oh, really?
I think anyway.
Oh, yeah, they float all over. Oh, sorry. DVDs. $1.
Dirty Dancing has your name on it. You look passed over it.
I know, I did. I went right by it.
Your wife will be
Wow,
really
that's
happy.
heavy duty.
That's heavy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. That's
It's
cool.
really good. We just
Yeah.
never use it.
Yeah, it looks brand new. Oh, it's monkeys.
They're cute.
That's pretty cool. Alright.
Everything on that table is everything next to it.
I see something funny. The willow tree? I don't know what those are. Security camera decoy. Oh, that's a couple bucks. Each item is $5. Oh, okay. Each item is $5. What is that? Oh, a coin holder?
Did you see the BB-8?
Yeah, I saw. That's cool. 25 sound effects. Let's try them. Oh wow,
Yeah, it's never been taken out of the box.
that's pretty fun. I'll just do these two, I think.
¿Cuánto por la hielera?
$2.
No, no,
Okay.
no, no es hielera. Es lo de arriba nada más. No, es el tapete. No, ese. No, lo puse para.
There you go. Thanks. We can just walk across the street to the next one. Did you pay for that?
Yeah.
Okay. How we doing? Woo! Oh, that's a nice couch.
He's going to grab the last back piece.
That's really nice. How much is that?
We're selling it for $800 or any other reasonable.
Yeah.
They recline,
Wow,
the seats recline, and then there's the wedge.
that's nice.
10 a piece.
That's it? You got more coming out still?
Yes.
Alright, we'll probably stop back by in a little bit.
Alright,
You
so-
selling any video games or?
I think we're selling an Xbox and
Cool.
some video games.
Maybe I'll wait for that then.
Okay. Yeah, he's just gotta grab it. We got
Okay.
kind of late start this morning.
Gotcha, yeah.
Yeah, but we'll be out here till 11.
Well, if I leave the Xbox, someone else will buy it, so I gotta see it first. This is kind of cool. All the nice.
Big elephant here.
800. And the seats do recline. We're just grabbing the last back.
Wonder what these are.
There's the recliner.
It is comfortable. Hey, good morning. How are you? I schedule these things too early, huh?
Yeah. I even had my alarm set at like 5:30. Went right back to sleep.
It is. The disc on it, the disc drive on it is loud because it's
Okay.
10 years old.
Yeah.
Fired up what? Less than 6 months ago?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Fired up less than 6 months ago. It works and runs fine.
We just got a PS.
Like I said, the driver's loud.
Yeah.
Good
I
morning.
think it'll take you 10 seconds to clear off
Okay.
my name on it. Any
What
of
do
the
you,
games that are downloaded on it, you're more than welcome to.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't even remember what they are. It's not much. I don't remember
Yeah.
that much. But you guys, yeah, it's.
What are you thinking on it?
I got a box of games upstairs too. Probably about 10 games.
Okay.
I was thinking 20 for the 4 controllers, the battery supply,
Yeah.
the Xbox, and the games.
Yeah, I'll do that. Sure.
All right, let me run up there and make sure I can find them. That I knew exactly where it is. Let me make sure I
All
can
right, yeah.
find that before
Cool.
I try to tell you that because I don't want to.
Word. Sounds good. Thanks.
Yeah.
You want to split it? Half these?
Sure.
10 each. Then we can share it. We're gonna split it. 10 each, and we'll share it.
All right.
You got 10. If you give her 20, she'll give you 10 back. Give her a $20 bill, she'll give you 10 back. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for your $10 bill, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you know what? We didn't park that far away. We can get it back there. Actually, that box of games will be good because I can put this in the box.
Yeah, let me grab. I've got a box.
A little bug. Cool, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. See if I've heard of anything. Oh yeah, it's classic. Lost Odyssey. Fable's a good one. Cool. Cool.
And,
Thanks, man.
Fallout 3 should be the game of the year, so it has
Oh, that
I know it's a long time ago,
DLC.
but it
No, I
has-
remember.
has broken steel and has all
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
and all that
How
good
much is
stuff.
the unicorn?
Unicorn tier $5.
You're buying it?
Yeah.
Whose is that? Who gets that money? Is that my money?
That's Penny's money.
Nah, it's my money, right?
She's pumped.
That was the deal.
She is. Yeah, there you go.
What did you say?
You want my other shoes?
Penny, what did you say?
These are cool.
Yes.
You said you bought your chair.
Thank you. You're welcome, and thank you for the unicorn shirt.
10
How
bucks
much
for
for
all
the-
the Nerf.
Yeah. I don't know if we need any more.
You always need more.
We can randomly find stray bullets in the house.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Got a few good things there, and I wanted to talk about them real quick. First one is a little questionable. I spent a lot on a couple of Dork Diaries books. I think I got 15 or so, and I spent $30, which seemed like a lot, and I just wasn't in a negotiating mood, which does happen from time to time. Looking at the comps, I think for that many books I can get 50, maybe 60. There's some weird comps at like 70, 80, but it doesn't seem to be the norm. The norm seems to be closer to 50-ish, maybe 60. And paying 30 as a cost, it's not really probably worth my time. I might just let my daughters keep them because they might want to read them. So I haven't really decided what to do with those. Not the best buy there, but I won't lose money. I will make a little bit of money on those. All right, then I went to another sale and got a few DVD box sets. I think for $1 a piece or 50 cents a piece. They were 2.5 Men. They were sealed, and it was 2 seasons. I think they're worth, season 1's worth around $10, and season 2's probably worth around $7, $8. So a little bit of profit there. And then at the last sale, since I had kept striking out, I decided to just ask if they had any video games. And I don't always get video games, but it's a good thing to ask for. They did have some. I waited quite a while for him to go up and get them. And he brought back this Xbox with 4 controllers. It's got the chat pad, which I know you can sell that chat pad separately for a little bit. And the controllers, one of them's in bad condition. Some games, console itself. So I think the console will go for around 80 to 100. It's the E, so I don't know if that's worth a little less. I gotta look it up. And then the games were not exciting. I had to wait an extra 10 minutes for the games too, so kind of disappointing when he brought these out, but they're fine. They're fine. They'll all sell for a little bit, but no cases or anything. So yeah, paid $30. It'll definitely get my money back and then some, but nothing huge. Elijah did buy some stuff for his sisters and for himself. So yeah, it was fun though. Thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe. If you want to see what everything sells for, make sure you check out the NC Flipper channel. Catch you next time.